everyone, Nut Free Mama here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Wowbutter Cup Donuts. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need wow butter. I'm going to use the creamy, but I guess you could use the crunchy if you would like. You need 2/3 cup of wow butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar. You can use the light or the dark, I don't think it matters. 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 to 2 cups of the milk chocolate chips. Those are just going to be drizzled on the top, or you can dip them in the top. So I'm just going to use about 1 cup. Okay, so first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 and spray your little donut pan with some cooking spray. Okay, so next you want to take your brown sugar, your sour cream, and your wow butter and mix that with an electric mixer until it's well combined. Okay, next you want to go ahead and beat in your milk, your 2 eggs, and your vanilla extract. Okay, now in a separate bowl you want to go ahead and mix together your flour, your baking powder, and your salt. Just whisk that all up, and then we are going to slowly add the dry ingredients to our wet ingredients and use the mixer, but it says be sure not to over mix. Okay, that looks really good. Next, I am just going to pipe this into my donut pan. I'm just going to stick mine into a Ziploc bag and cut off the end. If you have a piping bag, that will work, or if you want to spoon it, it's up to you. But since I'm doing the mini donuts, it's a little hard to spoon it in, so the piping bag works great. Okay, my first batch is ready to go into the oven, so it's again 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, my last batch is still in the oven. It has about 2 minutes left. I was able to make 90 of the mini donuts. So if you're using a bigger pan, of course you're not going to be able to make that many. But so next we are going to go ahead and melt our chocolate. Okay, so after you put your chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments, stirring it, you just want to take it out. If it's not as thin as you like, you can add some vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever kind of oil you have, about a teaspoon, and that thins it out. What I did was dipped some of mine in there, and then some of them I just drizzled on with a spoon or with a piping bag. Of course, I did run out of the milk chocolate, so I did have to use some dark chocolate. I thought the recipe was crazy when it called for 2 cups of the milk chocolates, but since you are making 90 mini donuts, you really do need that much. But I am really happy with the way they turned out. They look great. So now we're going to have taste tester have a little taste. Okay, this is ready for taste tester to have a little taste. I just went ahead and set these up in the refrigerator a little just to make the chocolate harden, or you can leave them out in the counter and they will harden that way too. Okay, taste tester, have a little taste.
Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.